What's up, YouTube? This is Jesse with J.FINESSE Flights. Got us a package today. This is something I ordered, it's probably been 3 weeks, maybe 2.5, 3 weeks. So, coming from Hong Kong. Of course, it takes us a little while to get to the States, but oh my God, it's here now, and I've been waiting on it. Okay, let's open this up, see what we got. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4 motors here. These are Rs1407 4100Kv motors. These are the Rcx motors that I got from my RC Mart. I bought these. They were about $43 for 4 of them. So these things they're very pretty, very nice looking, good quality feel to them also, for a budget motor, very budget minded motor. I can't believe they can make this motor the way it feels and the way it's made for the prices they're making them. I'm just blown away by how cheap it is, really, compared to Brother Hobbies and X Rotors and Cobra and all those high brand motors, the expensive as they are. But I wished you could feel the notch in this motor, how coggy. It just feels like it's just ripping. I mean, it is. I don't know if you can hear it. You hear it? I don't know if you guys can hear it. Listen. It's crazy. Anyway, let's weigh it. See what we get. Put my scale somewhere flat. Let me try to... This is with the full amount of wires. Nothing's been cut off. I'm running it to a 4-in-1. This is going on the Furibee X140. Kind of heavy, coming in at 17, bounce 17.7 is what I've got. I'm going to drop it again just to make sure. 17.7. Nope, not going to work. 17.7. Okay. Best 2 out of 3, we get a 17.7. So this is it. Like I said, this is going on my Furibee rig. Probably going to be another week before I put it on, maybe. Before I release the video, I want to fly it and get it tuned. If any tuning needs to be done, which I'm sure it is. These are going to be way more powerful. If you watch Engineer X, his video on these, they're pushing 600, high 500s to low to medium 600 grams of thrust with the 3-inch prop. So I'm pretty impressed. That's on 4S. I was pretty impressed with it. He has a lot of good things to say about the motor. It feels good in the hands. I don't know if you can see the air gap, the magnets. I cannot tell. They do look, it's hard to say, man. They kind of just look square, but I don't know. The way the air gap is, as tight as the air gap is, it's hard to say. I can't really tell. It's not gonna work. It's a stupid phone. Hard to see the air gap with this phone, man. I apologize, guys. I need to get some better equipment. Oh, there you go. Just for a split second. There it is. Just for a split second you could see it. But that is a coggy little motor. But alright, well, like I said, more to come. I'm going to start modding the Furibee X140 and see what happens. I'm going to keep you guys posted. Thanks for tuning in.